Almost every cyber or sci-fi opener leans on one thing: a wall of falling code. This whole field is built with one command, and it recolors in one word. The usual options are bad: hand place hundreds of layers, or buy a template you cannot recolor. In this episode, we start from an empty project and build it beat by beat into that wall. All scripted. No plugins, no paid template. After Effects does the real work. Claude Code just writes the script faster. The first prompt does not describe steps. It describes the finished look. Black canvas, green monospace columns falling top to bottom. Claude writes the minimal skeleton. Make a comp, generate the columns, add a fall expression. One command into AE and it is already raining. But it is plain. No glow, no trail yet. Add a glow so the glyphs feel lit. First pass uses radius 40, too heavy. The glyphs bloom into a haze you cannot read. Drop the radius to 8. Now the glyphs are sharp and still glowing. Now add the signature matrix trail. Brightest at the bottom, fading toward the top. This needs a text animator selector. First handwritten pass guesses the property name wrong. The command succeeds, but it reports 0 trail columns. A green checkmark is not the same as correct. Claude writes a probe to read the real property tree. The real name is addB text range shape, not the type 2 we assumed. Swap in the real name and all 39 columns get the trail. The trail works, but the field is sparse. Tighten the column spacing and lengthen the strands. Columns jump from 39 to 69, a dense wall. Then add brightness layering. A few near white lead columns, then bright, mid, and dim greens. At this point, a single glance reads as matrix. This part is the real point. Pull every hard-coded value into one config block. Change one word and the whole field recolors. Green to amber, amber to blue. Swap one line of character set, and the whole field goes from mixed symbols to pure digits. This is not a locked template you bought. It is a finished look you fully control. I put this script in the description. It is one self-contained file. No plugins or membership needed to run it. Download it, open it, and just run it in After Effects. The default is this classic green code rain. Then change the palette to amber, just one word, and the whole field turns amber. Same one word, set it to blue, and the field turns ice blue. Change it to multi, and every column picks its own color. One word, 4 finished looks, all in your hands. Do not take my word for it, run it yourself. The prompts and the runnable script from this episode are free in the description, and the script just runs. But using these prompts to build your own version from scratch, away from my workflow infrastructure, will not perfectly reproduce this look. This build-as-you-go process is non-deterministic. You will hit the same walls I did, like that trail that reported 0 columns. What makes it converge cleanly every time is the reusable function library, the polished presets, and the probes that catch the silent failures. All in the full 2D membership toolkit, updated every episode. One command, a full field of controllable code rain. And this is just the opener. The full prompts and JSX are in the description. To run the whole toolkit, subscribe to the 2D membership. If this was useful, hit like and follow so you do not miss what is next.